RV travel is supposed to be synonymous with freedom and comfort, but power issues often become a stumbling block on the journey. Today, let's walk into LiTime's technological evolution from Solution 1.0 to Solution 5.0. Each upgrade is a new answer to solving power problems for RV enthusiasts, for users frustrated by lead acids, short lifespan, and high maintenance. Traditional batteries severely limited RV power, short lifespan, slow charging, and bulky size. These pains were our target for the S1.0. We introduced the LiTime 12.8 volt 100 amp hours Group 31 basic battery, redefining RV power with a LiFePO4 technology. Here's what changed. It lasts up to 10 years. Install it once and forget about it for a decade. 1 hour fast charge means you can hit the road anytime, no waiting, completely maintenance-free. Install it and relax. Plus, BMS protection works 24/7, guarding against overcharge, over-discharge, over-temperature, over-current, and short-circuit. 5 protections of safety for your trip. Best part, it's half as heavy as lead acid, but holds twice the power. Lighter RV, stronger power. However, for travelers in freezing regions, as users ventured into extreme cold, new challenges emerged. Charging issues in deep freeze, powering high-demand inverters, and simpler overload recovery became critical needs. That's why we launched the S2.0 with 2 solutions, LTCP and self-heating batteries, built for deep freeze. Today's star is the LTCP model, the LiTime 12 volt 100 amp hour TM battery. Its core LTCP tech, low temperature charging protection, works like this. Below 0 degrees, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, BMS is smart enough to pause charging, protecting the battery. Once it naturally warms above 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit, charging resumes automatically. Safe and stable winter power. The S2.0 self-heating battery is for extreme cold. Plugging it in between -4 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, the charger heats the battery first. Once it hits 50 degrees Fahrenheit, heating stops and normal charging kicks in. Both LTCP and self-heating models share key upgrades. 1. Directly run high-power appliances through the inverter without adding cement resistors. 2. Overload protection self-recovers, no manual reset needed. It comes back online automatically, no more fixing things in the dark. As long-term travelers sought deeper control, intuitive monitoring, remote idle protection, and clear diagnostics became priorities. Enter the S3.0 with smart Bluetooth control. Meet the LiTime 12 volt 100 amp hour Group 31 Bluetooth battery. It puts your battery in your phone. See exact charge percentage, plan your power. App shuts it down or sets discharge mode, no drain when parked. Faults explained clearly. Fix it yourself easy. Most thoughtful, the S3.0 with remote preheat. Activate the app on your phone 10 minutes before you leave to start heating. Arriving at your RV, the battery's already awake. Crank the heat the moment you get in. To meet compact RV owners' dual demands, packing more power in less space for true power freedom became our focus. That's what S4.0's high energy density solution fixes. Meet the LiTime 12 volt 320 amp hour mini Bluetooth battery. Tech smashes space limits. Tiny size, massive power. Same space holds double the juice. Fits without crowding other gear, and the wiring is neat. Camp for days, no constant charging. True power freedom. Same space, double the range. Looking ahead, users with full power systems envisioned seamless harmony, device integration, and adaptive charging with unified data control. Introducing the S5.0 Global Synergy Solution, featuring the LiTime 12-volt 100 amp hour smart ComFlex battery. It enables smart system linkage, OTA updates, easy as your phone, new features anytime, no factory returns, charging auto-adapts cooling in the summer, boosts in winter, and stays efficient. It can also seamlessly connect with devices like Victron, integrating all data into the RV central control screen through Cerbo GX, controlling global power on one screen, saying goodbye to app switching troubles. From the S1.0 to the S5.0, every LiTime upgrade fulfills one promise: to make RV power as reliable as your breath. So energy freedom flows unseen, no anxiety, no compromise. When power works silently, you focus only on the journey. The S5.0 is just the start. How could LiTime make power even more invisible to you? Share your unseen struggles on the road. Next-gen solutions begin with your voice. I'll see you next time.